Y'all, this is the Sensational Dashly wig in Unit 20. When I tell you, me and her was struggling at first, but look at the end result, because what? If you like this wig, go ahead and stay tuned, and I'll show y'all how to get this look, baby.
Say that you miss me, just come get me.
Oh, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. We're finna review a wig or whatever. This is the wig we finna review. I've had this wig. I feel like I got this wig in March and it is now June. So let's go ahead and get right into it. It is a Dashly fast fashion meets hair. So it's a fast fashion wig. This is a Dashly wig Unit 20. I've seen some girls. So first of all, Kim, shout out to Kim. She sent me this wig and was like, she sent me a video of a girl wearing this wig, and she said, I think this will look good on you. I was like, all right, bet. But then, like, when I was looking at the wig, I was like, ew. But then I seen somebody else put on the wig, and I was like, oh. So therefore, that triggered me to buy the wig. I got it off of Amazon. The Amazon link is below. We're going to do a little install talk through like I like to do. It should be another simple, simplistic one. Yeah. So it comes with, it come with a 1B. It's a 1B2 balayage chocolate, balayage blonde, balayage mocha brown or mocha, copper brown, and copper pumpkin. So these are the colors right here. We are going to bust that pussy open, and I tell her bring it back. I'm gonna be up in these sheets. It's like something I never had. I'm scared because it's kind of big. This is what it's looking like. Take that out. I need to get my scissors so I can cut stuff. What is this? I guess this covered the combs. Child, if y'all hear my kid in the background, just ignore him. Every time I get on his camera and I start talking, that's when he decides he wants to stop what he's doing to come and be a part of my video. Mind you, I'm trying to not have him on the internet because people are weird. So, with that being said, let me go and get my scissors real quick. My leg hurt. I know why. I was trying on heels yesterday. I wanted to try on like outfits because I want to start kind of wearing heels on my solo day, you know, to look cute, to look put together. And, excuse me. And I feel like heels, even though I'm tall, I'm 5'11", heels look good on an outfit. Heels just look better with certain outfits. So I'm like, yeah, I want to start wearing heels. So I was trying on the ones that I have. I might order some more, just like the one, like I have some pink ones. Girl, that'll be in the next, that'll be in a vlog. I'm talking like this is a vlog and shit. So here is the wig. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on. It reminds me of my other wig that I used to, like my bang wigs. Shirley Temple. It's giving Shirley. Okay, there's no part in this, alright, y'all? So, I didn't give the specs of the wig. Let me give the specs. There is no part. It is literally like a king, yaki texture. And let's see here. Child, I don't even think I need this, to be quite honest. It's a comb in the back, comb on the side, another comb on the side, well, comb in the front, and then no comb in the middle. It's just a cap with the, this on. So honestly, I don't even think I need this. Yeah, it was kind of tight. Yeah, I don't need it. I don't need it. So we are here. Are we finger combing it out and then trimming it or cutting it? What are we doing? Oh, baby, I'm scared. I just wanted to look like the girls. The girls. Since we're doing a talk through, let's talk about anything. Shit. My baby daddy get on my nerves. Let me tell you what happened. This nigga, mind you, there's nothing wrong, and he's not a nigga, he's actually white. He's palm colored. But he texted me and was like, oh, I think Jackson should have a break. Mind you, I don't have problems with my BD, like, at all. Like, we're fine. We have good co-parenting, He takes, picks his kid up when he's supposed to. I pick my son up when I'm supposed to. Like, it's cool. But sometimes he be saying stuff, and I be like, shut up. So he's like, oh, I think Jackson should have a break. He's probably, like, burnt out from school. And I was like, first of all, he was like, he goes to school all year. I'm like, first of all, he doesn't. He has a break on Christmas, and he has a break during the summertime. During the summertime, he goes to freaking daycare. Like, what? Like, yeah, they have a little bit of school, but it ain't even, like, it ain't school. It's just, like, it's babies in there. So, and then during Christmas, he didn't go to any type of school at all. He had 3 weeks, and he just stayed in the house with me. So, that being said, I'm like, okay, he's not in school all the fucking time. Like, all year. So, I was like, so you want him to not go to daycare either? Or, like, what's the problem? He was like, I mean, unless you're going to keep him at home while you're working. I was like, no, because he requires a lot of attention. He was like, well, with me, he doesn't. I said, look, you don't have to have your side comments all the time. And I was dead serious. I'm like, you don't have to have your side comments all the time. Like, what's the point of that fucking comment? So he just started laughing. I was like, all right, well, he goes literally to school. He goes to summer school until the end of June, and then he'll be in daycare. And then he has like a little summer camp or whatever that he does for 4 days. He was like, okay, well, I just thought I'd bring it up. I'm like, all right, well, he's still going to summer school, like. So we're not doing much to this. Like, it's literally gonna be a very short video, but do I look like a poodle? Do I look like a poodle? I feel like a poodle. I like going for like yucky textures because it resembles black hair, and I don't have any hair, so I like to, I don't know. The thing is with me and wigs, it's like, I love wigs. I truly do. And it's not because I now kind of need them. It's just, I could be a totally different person from day to day. Just, I don't know. They make me really happy inside. It's giving SZA, to be quite honest. This is going to be another, like, curly whoop-de-whoop. Blase blah. He say, she say. Oh my God, shut the fuck up. That's Kendrick. Okay, so I was trying to find her.
I did nothing to it. All I did was just pull it out some. Go get it. Yeah, get it now.
That's what I'm trying to look like her. Trying to look like her. Bitch, I'm her. What do y'all think? What are y'all thinking? What are you guys thinking? Let me know in the comments down below. What are we feeling about this wig? Is it just kind of like, the wig is wearing you. You're not wearing a wig. The wig is wearing you. What's going on here? You know? Is it giving that? Is it giving bitch slay? Is it giving I need to put on some makeup? Is it giving that? I don't know. It's not doing anything for me. Like, everything ain't for everybody. Now I feel like I look like the Joker. Now I feel like I look like a fucking clown. And this shit is itchy. It's itchy on the side right here. Everything ain't for everybody. Okay, y'all. So I changed my top and it goes better with my hair. Okay, let me put some earrings in. I just needed to change my top. So now it looks better because I look better. I was like, the workout clothes wasn't gonna go good with this. Leon Thomas came out with an extended version of Mutt, his album, and I've been on it since it came out on Friday. Like, baby, you did your big one, sir. Anyway, let me take some pictures and we need to put y'all on a chart. See, I like this. I like when the hair is pushed back. This is gonna be cute. This is gonna be cute. This is gonna be cute. All right, y'all. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok, because you see this wig first on TikTok and on, not so much on Instagram, but on TikTok you gonna see this wig first. I already posted it. So make sure you follow me there if y'all want firsthand thoughts, reviews, all the things. And with that being said, bye bye. Thank you for watching, because y'all about to die. Okay, bye. Bye.
Might tell you once, won't tell you twice. And post that up, we be alright.